That thing. Hello everyone. I'd like to do a shout out to two special places I got Pokemon cards from. Let's go with the first one called Zard Cards, which I'm going to do opening videos and also showing you what I got from them. And also Global Threads, another place that's down. This place is downtown Fredericksburg, and they got a lot of amazing stuff there, and I really like it. And also, the Zard Cards, you can go on Instagram and look this name up, and they'll sell stuff I can't show but they'll show stuff like this on there, and nice little things. It depends how much you get. Now, let's get on with me saying thank you, Zard Cards and Global Thrift Store, for me purchasing a lot of wonderful stuff from y'all both. And I did ask permission to use their names and telling you where they're at, so you can go and buy. That way, just be respectful to them and their business. Now let's go with the first thing I got from Global Threads. Look at this beautiful Spider-Man mirror. Yeah, that is a very amazing mirror I got here. Alright, and that came from Global Threads, just like these beautiful beauties. Got a grade 9 and a grade 3 Pikachu and Zapdos. And also got these. Now, and let's see, from Global Threads, I got this in today. I got this from them previously. The beautiful, I don't know how to say its name, but I mean, cards like that are kind of getting like a little bit hard to find. He gave me more, and I kind of don't know where they're at because in my Pokemon collection lost. So since there's not a lot to, what was it? Well, actually, oh yeah, also got this package in today. And something I've been waiting for to do this live stream. Darn this tape. Yeah, I'm trying not to show y'all addresses or anything. Haha, not one, but two of these bad boys. So, I'm thinking first, let's go with Global Threads. And good thing about Global Threads, and also, good thing about Zard Cards and Global Threads, you can trade cards with them. Alright. I traded, I think, Dark Charizard for both of these. And you know what? I'm happy with the trade. I love them. They're part of my collection. They're graded. And this is hard right here. Feels like glue. Now, I'm going to open from Zard Cards first because I really like both places the same, but I've been waiting on these bad boys. Alright. Come on, tape. Stop it. Maybe I should... Nah, I already started opening these. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. Look, he offered another Zard Cards in there. That's very awesome. How do you get... Ah. Ooh. Nice. Let's move this. Got Japanese Glaceon. Electro Shiny. A beautiful Arcanine Japanese, and a Sylveon V. 4 beautiful cards. Yep. Ooh. And I do love these vintage ones here like this because they're harder to get, and plus, you know, without these we wouldn't have the new ones. Alright. So, my first opening of the day. Alright. I know, yeah, this also I got from Zard Cards too. Alright, now let's open these from Global Thrifts. And I love opening cards because it's pretty cool. Anyone wants these, let me know. Lightning Energy. Yeah, nice little trainer there. Pretty cool. What is this? Oh, it's one of them weird flower thingy ones. Pretty cool. Nice. Drowsy. Oh. Pretty awesome there. No wow factors, but pretty good. But yeah, like I said, I love all the stuff I got off everyone. And you know, they're both equally awesome in my book, both places. And Zard Cards, pretty much you can watch them live every, I think, Saturday, and get a $4 pull per card, and you can get some good stuff. And the thrift store that's Global Threads and Thrift, I mean, you can go down there and get a nice selection of stuff there. Ooh. Oh, nice. Yeah. Why does everything keep falling down on me? Alright. Let's go with Umbreon. Like I said, there could be some cards here that wild factors that would make these things worth it, and there's cards in there that's like break even on them, but I don't care. Because all the artworks on these Pokemon cards are amazing. But I still like the original 100% better. Ooh, Hitmonchan. Nothing. Ooh. This one's pretty nice. My first holo rare of the packs. Now. And thank you again for Global Threads for giving me these cool, awesome cards. Oh, cute little Pikachu. And also thank Zard Cards for the stuff that you gave me too. And oh, that's neat. But yeah, and I really like everything that I got from Global Threads. especially my mirror. Also like everything I got from Zard cards, especially these four here. There are more, but from the thing, this is from somewhere else. I forgot where I got them, but two of them, pretty nice. Can't open this. EBT boxes. I'm thinking about keeping one of these closed, so if you don't see me open one, that's because I decided, oh well, let's keep them closed. As you notice about all EBT boxes, they got the same stuff. Beautiful artwork design of them. Energies. Dividers. Cool little dice. This here. And this one has 8 packs. With some amazing artwork designs. And I'll start with this one. Come on. Sorry, my hands are a little bit slow opening these, but start off water energy. Ooh. These are pretty neat here. So, let's go with, these artworks are pretty awesome in these. Alright. So yeah, I'm not gonna, yeah, I don't think I'm going to open the other EBT box. I'm going to close that energy. Little ice cream cone. Taurus, that's pretty awesome. Diglett. Ooh. Oh, awesome. Full artwork. Nice. I'm going to save this one because I do like Charizard. Yep. Get rid of this code card. Psychic energy. Nice low energy there. Cute little birdie. Pretty cool. Sorry. Let's continue the wild factor. Oh good, I got a trash bag beside me. Energy. Nice little trainer. Oops. Oh, wow. A second full artwork card. Now that is amazing there. Can we go for number 3, or are we just going to get... Oh, come on. Stop sliding all over the place. Stay. You know, it'd be amazing. This one person told me what I could pull out of these things, and if I pull one of them out, I'd be happy like there's no tomorrow. But, no, my luck, I won't get it. Oops. Ooh, a relic can. Like that. Some of these cards, I'm saying, the artwork is like phenomenal. Nothing big and wild factor here, but pretty awesome, same way. Alright, 3 more to go, including this Charizard one here. Will I get a Charizard? Probably not. But I can dream, can I? Come on out. Water energy. Hey, Ursula. Muck. Pretty cool. Come on. Lightning energy. Nice little trainer here. That's pretty cool. Alright, Charizard, what do you got for me? I want to be careful with this because I like the packaging of the Charizard design. Alright. Get rid of this code card. Nice low energy. Cool little trainer. Oh, wow. Nothing really too interested in here, but that's pretty awesome. And nothing too interested in that last pack, but pretty awesome at least. And you know what? My Pokemon card collection is getting way high now, and you know what? I'm just going to have to give a special thanks to Global Threads and also Zard Cards Now, you can look them both up on Instagram, and they both have accounts. Zard Cards is pretty amazing, and so is Global Threads. And if you're lucky, you could get mirror like I just showed you, or some, some graded cards. Yeah. There's no telling what you can get from Global Threads and Zard Cards. They're both amazing places. I mean, you see all the goodies I got from them. In third place, I will keep a mystery. Can't tell all my hidey holes for Pokemon cards. Y'all have a good night, good morning, wherever you're watching this from. Peace out.